Hey, my name is Dave Glieco. I'm president of New Approach Condo Association, Fort Myers, Florida. This complex was started in 1974, so it's 45 years old this year. So there's probably about 14 units per courtyard. Originally we had 75-watt light bulbs in patio poles, and the stuff was failing miserably and it was awful dark in here. And we went with LED everywhere so the lights would last a long time, and we don't have maintenance people working here, so the length of life on the LEDs was very important to us. And consequently the fiberglass poles went into the ground easily, and it was all done rather well. We used what was known as the bullhorn brackets and two 40-watt fixtures in the short courtyards, two 80-watt fixtures in the plex courtyards, 120-watt fixtures at the bridges in all four directions. 40-watt fixtures taking care of our parking lot and the game court, to have something that long-lasting and very cost-effective for us. And that was important to us because it gives those people that live here full-time a sense of security for us, and it's a lot safer for that way. People riding their bikes and walking their animals at night. Between that and the FP&L lights, we are very happy with the amount of light we put in the complex. I was very impressed because they spent the time to talk to us about what we needed. I wanted to get it right, and everybody worked with me to get what I wanted. The lighting was a big part of it to finish the project, and it was very important to us to get it right the first time, and we did.